Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is calculating surface area of cones, formulas and methods. After going through this course, the students will learn what is the meaning of a cone and how to calculate the surface area of a cone by making use of height, radius and slant height of the cone. The students will also understand how the radius, slant height and height are related to each other. The students will also understand how to calculate the cost of canvas required to make the tent. The students will also learn how to calculate the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area of the cone. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.